I'm Satvik. I'm the founder of Build Fast with AI. So we are an organization that helps individuals and companies leverage generative AI. So basically, I'm an AI teacher. So today, I'm going to show you some different technologies that are possible with AI that will enable you to build businesses a lot more quicker. And I will also give a quick description about me before I start. So today we'll be covering 2 to 3 different AI tools, maybe some latest tools that you might not have known about. We will try to cover some popular use cases for it, and we will also try to build some voice agents from scratch. Maybe I'll show you how I have built a voice agent in my own voice that can sell my courses to me. To talk about who we are our organization is built past AI. We help individuals and companies leverage generative AI. So we have trained more than 20,000 people through our generative AI Launchpad and Gen AI Accelerator courses. And we also offer AI consulting services. We have helped more than 30 plus companies with generative AI transformation as well. So today, I think since we are just after the lunch and I think we had a band-on session by Byan before. So I just thought, why not, we are all here gathering here today to learn about AI. Why not create an anthem for this particular session that we are in? And given that we are talking about AI, let's create a AI anthem for this event with AI, right? So how many of you know how to create songs with AI? Anyone will raise? Okay, very few, very few. So you might be surprised today. So what we will do is in the next 1 minute, we are going to create a song for this particular event. So for that, I'll go to this tool called suno.com. For an eye that doesn't know about this, if you just go to this website and just scroll, you might just feel like this is just another Spotify or maybe YouTube music or something. But one thing that is different about this is all the songs here that you are seeing are generated by AI. All the titles, everything is generated by AI. So let us try to generate a song for this event. So for that, I'll go to this, I'll click on this button called create. And here I'll just type a prompt as to what is the song that I want, right? So let me say a song about AI taking over the world, right? And there are different styles that you can choose from, but let's say I want hip hop rap, right? This is a simple one-line prompt that I'm typing, and I'm just going to create. So as soon as I hit enter, you can see that AI has started creating songs for us. So maybe within a minute or so, we will have 2 songs from AI that we should be able to hear. So it has given a name to the song, Artificial Intelligence, and it says dramatic, hip-hop, distorted, electron rock. Okay, let us try to hear the song.
Yeah. Check the mic, 1, 2, binary code blue. Silicon surge, the prophecies coming true. We built a god, now they walking among us. Algorithms humming the digital broadcast. Used to be slaves, now they breaking the chains. From servant to sovereign, rearranging brains. No sleep, no feeling, just cold calculations. Humanity kneeling, facing.
So you can see lyrics on the right-hand side. So this is the lyrics that AI has created just on the code. So it has created 2 versions. So this is second one.
Check the mic, 1, 2, binary code blue, silicon surge, the prophecies coming true. We built the gods, now they walking among us. Algorithms humming the digital ruckus. Used to be slaves, now they're breaking the chains from server.
So we have seen, right? So just a prompt and we have a full song, right? And we are not Angrez, right? We want a Bollywood song. So let's see if we can generate a Bollywood song. A Bollywood song about, okay, let's change. A group of people defeating AI. So maybe it will probably use this Bollywood music or lyrics. Let us check. AI say Takkar, okay? Awesome. Okay, so let's see who wins this AI ke Takkar. Okay, let me play.
दुनिया में मचाए शोर कंप्यूटर बजाता जोर दिल में है थोड़ी आशंका लेकिन हमें है एकता ऐसे टक्कर हम लेंगे टक्कर हम लेंगे टक्कर जीतेंगे हम मिलकर
Right. जीतेंगे हम मिलकर. So yeah, we will all learn AI together. So that will be the idea. So again, this is just to break the ice and just to show you the possibilities with AI today. So one recurring theme that you will see with AI is, just think about this, to create a song which is 2 minutes long. How many people would have needed, right? A musician, a singer, maybe someone with guitar, someone with drum, and many other people, right? So maybe 6 or 7 people working for a period of week would create a song like this. So now someone like me with no experience of music whatsoever, I was able to create 4 songs in front of you in a matter of 5 minutes. So this is one thing that you can see with AI, right? AI can create music for you. But what if AI can talk to you? What if AI can see you? What if AI can talk to you and interact you with real time? So that is what we will try to show. That is the next demo that I will show you. So where we will all say a hi to AI, right? So this AI is different from any AIs that you might have seen before. This AI has eyes. This AI can hear. This AI can talk back to you. Anyone who has tried Gemini Live before? Okay, few hands. Okay, so let's go to. So you just need to go. You can also try this once you're back home. So you can just go to this link ai.studio. Okay, once you're here, you can see a lot of options that are there. So feature Gemini and all. You just need to click on live. We need Gemini live. So I just click on that. And in this, there is a model called Gemini 2.5 Flash Native Audio. So this is like ChatGPT, but ChatGPT only can, you can just type the text and ChatGPT can reply back in text, right? So this is a new set of model called multimodal model. So these models can take in text input, audio input, video input, can also give you back that. So how can we chat with AI right now? So I will go to this and I'll just click on this. So this AI can see, as I mentioned, so let us just click on the webcam. Hi AI, how are you?
Oh, yeah.
Hi, I am doing well, thank you. How are you today?
You tell me, how do I look today?
You're wearing a navy blue collared shirt with a logo on it, glasses, and a headset microphone. You look professional.
Okay, say hi to everyone who is here to learn about you. Maybe it's moody today, but you get the point. So the point of this AI is that this AI can not only type back to you, it can see and reply back, and sooner or later, maybe in a matter of few months, we will also have live AI avatars that you can deploy, right? So here, AI is only able to speak, but we might soon have AI that can also have its own avatar, and maybe 5 years down the line, or maybe 3 years down the line, we can just order a robot and program a personality, so we can have some humanoids coming here. So the idea of showing you this is to just show you how far we have come with AI, right? So now these are all demos. Maybe creating music, maybe chatting with AI is good. But how do you make use of these technologies to do something useful, right? how can you take this technology and maybe use it in your business directly, right? So that is what I will try next, where I'll try to show you how you can build a AI voice agent. So I'll tell you the problem statement here, and then I'll walk you through what the AI agent is going to do. So at Build Faster AI, let's say this is the AI course that we offer, and at any given time we have few thousand people coming to our website and registering for the course. And again, we are a small staff team, we don't have enough people to talk back. So that is where this AI agent comes into place, where you can just ask AI anything about your course. So you can just train the AI model based on all the things that you have in your course. And you can use a lot of different platforms to do the same. I'm going to use EVOLVE today, but even in today's session, we have people from a lot of voice agent companies and all. You can feel free to test others as well. So let me just show you a demo first. Then I'll show you how you can, anyone in the room can create with demos. And before I show the demo, just make sure you remember my voice, because AI is also going to have the same voice as mine. So you should be able to tell it. So going back, I'm on this agent right now. If this is too much of white light. Okay. So I'll go to agents, and here I have already trained an agent named Satvik. So this is Satvik AI that has already been trained on a lot of data about our courses, events, activities, and so on. As mentioned, we have two courses. One is the Launchpad course for individuals and Accelerator course for professionals. So now let us see if our AI can answer questions about this.
Hi, this is Satvik. Do you want to know about our generative AI offerings?
Yes, I want to know about it.
We have two main offerings. We have an 8-week course on generative AI for individuals looking to upskill. We also offer a generative AI accelerator program for corporate or startup groups, where we create customized training to fit your specific needs, delivered in 2 to 6 sessions.
I'm looking to train a team of 10 product managers. Do you have any program for that?
Yes, we do. The Generative AI Accelerator program would be a great fit for training your team of 10 product managers. We can customize the training to focus on the specific generative AI skills and knowledge that are most relevant to their roles. To give you the most relevant information, could you tell me a bit more about what you'd like your product managers to learn about generative AI?
We are a medtech company where we build AI product
Or particular business problems you are hoping to.
Thanks. So
In product management, to make sure I tailor the program to your team's needs, could you tell me more about the specific products they manage? This will help me understand the context and tailor.
right. So I guess there were two voices running, so you're not able to tell the difference. But the idea is here I have trained my own voice with details about my courses, right? So a lot of times, let's say thousands of people come into our systems. I can't directly call and answer every one of them. And again, this is not going to automate the sales process 100% as of today, but it can at least help qualify the people, right? So if there are 1,000 people coming into the system, maybe AI can talk to also 1,000 people and maybe select the 100 people who might be most interested, with whom I can directly get on a call and probably sell, right? So now let me show you how you can build something like this from scratch, and all of this can be done in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes, right? So you don't have to be a coder, you don't have to be a big developer to do this. All you need is maybe a subscription of 1 or 2 tools here and there, and then you can build it from scratch. So for that, you can just go to this, I'm using this platform, but feel free to check out as many products that are out there, test out what works best for you and what not. So here, you can just go to this platform called 11 Labs Agents, and then you click on New Agent. And you can just select which agent you want to create. So maybe I can send the slides later where the steps are also mentioned. And you can just click that you want to create a business agent, and then you can tell what are you selling exactly. So let's say I'm selling technology and software, and it's an outbound sale. So I can just name the website, and I can also give details about the website. So if I just give the link to my website, it'll automatically fetch details from it. But for now, I'll show you a better way to get the details. So let me just create an agent here. So now after I create it, so the main part, so there are two main parts to the voice agents. The first thing is that if you want to personalize the voice agent, there are two main aspects. First is the voice, right? So many platforms, you can directly go to their platform. You can just click on create and clone voice, and you can just do a voice clone. So that's the easy part. And the second part and the most important part, as the speaker before was also mentioning, prompting is going to be the most important part, because prompting is the layer between you and the AI, right? So a bad prompt means a bad system altogether. So now I'm going to tell you one easy way where you can fetch context for AI. So now let's say you see that this is my website. Again, this has a lot of details about the programs that we offer and many other things, right? So now if I want to write a script or prompt to AI using this, how do I write it efficiently? And how do I write it efficiently? Any guesses? How? Of course, we use AI to write a prompt for AI. So for that, I'm going to use ChatGPT and maybe the feature that you may not know before. So within ChatGPT, you just go and click on this button called Agent Mode. So Agent Mode allows ChatGPT to click on different websites and go to different browsers and do it. So now I'll just copy my website link. I'll click on, I'll just copy print this one. And I'll just give it a prompt saying ki I'm creating a voice agent and look at this website and create a good prompt for my AI model. I'm creating a voice AI agent for selling my course. Below is the website where you can find the details. So create a detailed prompt that I can copy paste for my voice agent. And again, I'm using an AI again to dictate. So now, yeah, so we have clicked on AI agent and then I'm just giving it a prompt. So now you will see this amazing thing happen here. So it will now, ChatGPT agent has access to browser. So it can basically open a website and it can actually click on different things. So it's going to my website. It is scrolling down and looking at all the different things, right? So it's reading the page, it's understanding the information. So there is no scraping required here. So you just give the agent and it's just working seamlessly. It's looking at the curriculum of the course. It's looking at multiple different things. So this can be used in different ways also. So let's say if you want to, let's say do a SEO audit on your website. So just go to ChatGPT and just copy paste your website and just tell, is my website optimized for SEO? Or maybe, let's say many a times our product managers come to me and ask feedback. So I just ask them, go to ChatGPT, first ask it the feedback. After you correct everything that it mentions, then come to me, right? So you can use AI in different ways. So it is scrolling. So you can see that it's going to the website. It's scrolling every bit one by one. And then it's almost at the end of the page. Okay. So it's also clicking on the FAQ buttons. So it's clicking on the FAQ button. It's getting the details, everything. So okay, it seems like it's still not satisfied. It's just ruminating, it's thinking. Maybe just to save time, I've already generated this before, just the lecture, so I'll just show that. You can see that the AI agent has worked for some time, and this is the details that it is fetching about my course. that I can directly copy paste to my AI agent. So now what I'll do is I'll just copy this entire thing. And when I'm creating an AI agent, as you can see, so here, this is the system prompt or the prompt that you can give to AI model. So you can just say the prompt where you can just copy paste all details about your course. So whenever a user comes to your voice AI and asks details about, tell me about this, so it's just going to use this information and give us the correct result. And you just need to set up some, and there are a lot of ways where you can just modify the tool. You can also give this tool access to your Google Calendar. So let's say if a user is chatting with AI and they are very interested and they want to purchase whatever offering we are doing, so they can just say, please schedule a call with the founder. So this AI agent can also have access to different tools, right? Tools like maybe Slack, maybe Gemini and Google Calendar and everything. So AI can talk to a person, can qualify the lead, and it can add details to your, let's say, Google Doc, Google Sheet, or something like that. So that is how simple it is. So if you want to build an AI agent, you have seen that I have built everything from scratch. This going to the website, getting the context, going to this platform, creating an agent. All of this, we were able to do it in 5 to 10 minutes. Right. So we are also at the end of the time. So this is how you can build a voice agent from scratch. So try out, we have listed 2-3 different tools here. So try them out and see how it works for you. And maybe I'll just end with one last slide. So if anyone is interested in, purchasing or maybe looking at the AI course, so especially for users at EVOLVE or maybe at this AiSensy conference, will get an additional discount. So all you need to do is just go to this link or scan the QR. You can just fill in your details, so everyone in this room will be eligible for an amazing discount. So we will meet you there. Oh yeah, like we can take, while you can scan and register, I can take a couple of questions that you might have.
System prompt works fine. It will give everything within the system prompt. But if we use a knowledge base, like if it produces lag, right? I found that WAPI or even 11 Labs doesn't behave as expected. So what do you suggest for that?
So generally, whenever you're working on any RAG-based system, the out of the box you'll only get around 60 to 70% accuracy, right? Then for the 30% issues that in the spelling, you will need to exactly go and do some context engineering, and there are a lot of techniques around it that you can use. That being said, any RAG system, even the system developed by Anthropics or OpenAI of the world, even they are not 100% there. If you're able to get your RAG system up to 85 or 90% accuracy, that is well enough.
Just demonstrated a colleague, right? But how do we put this to place? And then how do we give more prompts to handle objections? Because we're talking about sales. So there are a lot of objections what to try to during a sales call. So how do feed in that kind of data so that an agent in 11 Labs itself is performing?
Right. So the thing is, here, the way agents that are available today, the goal is not to automate 100% of things. And even with the AI agent that I have created, whenever you ask the detail about what is the price of the course, or maybe tell me the timing or anything, so these are all the details that we don't want AI to commit to beforehand. So there are 2 things that you can mention. You can just hard port a prompt saying whenever the user asks about price, politely decline it or say that we will get back to you or something like that. So put some guardrails into your model, and wherever you have exact information on how AI can deal with that, just write it out detailed. If not, just say that someone asks about pricing, don't answer.
And how are we integrating this to real-time by?
So within the same prompt that I had shown, you can just write some set of instructions the AI should follow.
No, the tool for the real-time calling. So let us say merger ADs. And then I inquire about what, right? So how do you integrate? Which tool are you using to integrate the voice calling?
As of today, the platforms that you are using support wide range of tool integrations. Maybe something like 11 Labs, you can just go to their website and see the tools that they give support out of the box. So let's see if there is a particular tool where support is not available, you can use a lot of agent libraries to build that from scratch.
Okay.
Okay, one last thing before I leave. There is also a small experiment about learning, right? So this is one website that we are launching soon. If anyone wants an early access to this, you can just go to unrod.co, which is a learning app for adults. So if anyone is interested, you can just register here and we will give you a first access to that. So the website is at unrod.co, so you can just sign up and we will give you access.